When you come to PT to prove your competitive advantages, there's a very reasonable desire to want us to declare a product the best. Best is one of those great words. We'll all Google best of this, best that. Can I choose PT to say I have the best? And our answer is inevitably no, and you don't want that. It's because there is no best product of any type when you phrase it that way. And the reason is that all products operate in the context of an audience or a set of audiences, use cases, and prices. One of the easiest examples is, what's the best car? Do you work in construction and need a big truck? Do you have kids and you want a minivan? Are you on a really tight budget and it's your first car? Are you an electric car fan? The answer for what the best car is going to vary all over the map. Similarly with technology, what's the best server? What's the best laptop? What's the best Chromebook? What's the best cloud service? It's going to depend again on your budget, your use cases, your audience. And to have an answer that buyers can trust, we have to put it in context. Now, what we can say and do routinely say is, this product was the best of the ones we tested at these use cases for this budget. And we limit it to that also for one other key reason. Nobody would believe us if we said it was the best. So we restrict to the facts. They become reliable. Buyers can trust them. That builds credibility for you. It builds credibility for PT. This is vital for making a marketing statement that people will actually believe.